kainin yan dandelion. Kundi, dadandelion ko
I gave
ngayon.
them a leaf.
Me too.
For sale po ito.
No.
Nagtago no sinabi kong for sale. I would like to sell this because I'm gonna buy a dog. Joke. Yung mga anak ko.
How much is a dog?
About 500 is the cheapest one.
Really?
And it's the ugliest one.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought they were way cheaper. I thought they were like £100.
No?
If Jaden was £100, Mom would have had like 5 dogs by now.
Oh.
Yeah. The golden and Labradors are at 1,300.
No.
Yeah.
For,
The big paws one is like 2,000.
for like just one.
Yeah.
I
The big paws
I
one.
actually thought they were like £60.
Yeah, get it from the, a drawing, Jay. Ganyan po sila katakaw. Pangatlong fill up na po yan ng hay. Damo. Pag magdadamo kami sa likod, pakain namin. Ayan, bulaklak lang po yan sa likod, kinakain nila. Tingnan yun, napakabilis lumamon. Kaya pala daming tae kagad. Kakalinis lang niya kahapon. My gosh, bulaklak yan sa likod. Grabe. Oh. Tingnan niyo yung tenga ng isa. Wait. Ay, nagtago eh. Saan naman makikita ba? Ay, nagtago. Busy sila eh.
How is
What?
it like?
Every time, kasi lagi sila pong na sumisigaw. Nakakairita. Hindi ginagaya ko. Tenga nila bumabaliktad, diba? Wala silang pakialam. I'm hungry.
That's not a dandelion.
Eh, gusto din niya damo. Bukas magdamo tayo, kunin natin lahat.